Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
Latest job openings in Lucknow. It is from Uttar Pradesh. Let us discuss one by one in detail. So, firstly, there is a job opening for video producer. It is from Kalam Labs. So, coming to about the job, so it will be a live game streaming platform at the intersection of K-12 learning and multiplayer gaming. So 40 hours per week should be there, like working hours, and you are going to get 30,000 to 45,000 rupees per month. The salary will be. So coming to responsibilities, a video producer is generally expected to create and develop multimedia content for customer stories, internal company and announcement videos, external promotional social videos, product marketing videos, recruiting videos, corporate training and other enterprise-wide projects, and script, storyboard, budget, allocate resources, set deadlines and select optimal forms of media for projects, and work independently and as well as a part of a team to establish a product deliverables. And you need to collaborate closely with internal clients and stakeholders to help facilitate the creation of multimedia content and plan video shoots, scout, select and rewards shoot allocations. So these are the responsibilities for this video producer position. So if you want to apply for this position, if you are interested to know more detailed information about this position, I have provided the link in the description, so you can go through with that. Next one, there is a job opening for logistics team leader. So it is from Geekforce. So let us discuss about the roles and responsibilities mentioned here. Like onboard Geekforce employees, drivers, delivery executives and other workers in the city, and you need to assist the new joinees in submitting and uploading KYC details and train them on how to use the app and refer more giggers on the app and follow up with each workforce on a regular basis for hassle-free operations, and you need to maintain a record for their attendance and cross-checking it with the clients, record and take actions to gigger complaints with the immediate effect and ensure that the workers report to their work location on time and coordinate with the supervisors to record the performance and the on-site behavior of the workers, and you need to visit like client sites and prepare an audit report of the giggers and maintain a record of ready giggers to backfill the dropout giggers. So these are the roles and responsibilities, and next coming to next slide. Here we are going to discuss about qualifications. That is like a bachelor's degree in operations. So you should be having prior experience in handling a team of 30 to 40 workers on ground, and a result-driven individual with a go-getter attitude, and a self-starter with exceptional management skills and can handle the team with less supervision. And you should be having strong interpersonal and communication skills, and should be good with numbers and analytical skills, and should be startup enthusiastic with the ability to think out of the box and ready to work on the field and familiar with MS Office and Google Sheets, and must have their own laptop and Android smartphone above 4.1 and reliable internet connection should be there. So these are the qualifications for this position. So interested candidates to apply for this position, I have provided the link in the description, so you can go through with that. Next one, there is a job opening for account manager position. It is from Upler. So it will be AU shift and the timings will be 6 a.m. to 3 p.m. So 8 years of experience should be there to apply for this position. And so let us discuss about the roles and responsibilities mentioned here. Like under the account planning, like building a comprehensive account plan which details key relationships required, The opportunities and the revenue expected from such opportunities, as well as potential threats and weaknesses that need to be addressed. And under the business development, you should be responsible for building and managing a portfolio, driving revenues within the assigned account or the portfolio of accounts by being the owner of the entire opportunity management cycle, which involves identifying business opportunities, selling, service delivery, and negotiations. So under the client delivery, work closely with the delivery teams to ensure that the team understands the customer requirements and is aligned. So negotiation and onboarding. Next, coming to skills required, MBA degree is preferred, and someone who has experience growing a client from right set of account management practices and relationship building, or someone who is from a SaaS based or product based company, and someone has been managing account and growing client account post product sale. So these are the skills required for this position. So interested candidates, you can check in the description for the link to apply for this position. Next one, there is a job opening for digital sales manager position. So it is from Iron Mountain, and salary will be 10 lakhs to 12 lakhs per annum, and also incentives will be there. So it is for only female candidates. Female candidates will be preferred for this position. So coming to the qualifications, it will be like bachelor's in engineering or business administration or related field is required. MBA is preferred, or minimum of 3 years, 3-year university degree, and master's degree is preferred. So coming to experience, 7 to 8 years of experience in digital solution sales, technology sales experience, and positioning BPM across large complex accounts with a proven record of accomplishment, and candidates with experience in selling digital solutions and relationships in verticals of healthcare, digital solution sales, IT solutions sales, banking, insurance, NBFCs, PSU, and hospitals, and the BFSI background is preferred. And the candidates with experience in handling large outsourcing of processes, migrations, moving into digitization must also experience in handling data storage followed by digitization, scanning, and AIML based analytics around documents preferred. So these are the qualifications and experience details. So interested candidates, to apply for this position, you can check in the description for the link. Next one, there is a job opening for partner support specialist position. It is from Nokia for greater Lucknow area. So let us discuss about the responsibilities mentioned here, such as providing first level contact and convey resolutions to partners or sales team queries, and managing emails, inbound and outbound calls in a timely manner, following help desk scripts and processes when handling different topics, and identifying partners' needs, clarify information, research every issue, and providing solutions, and properly escalating unresolved queries to the next level of support, tracking, routing, and redirecting problems to correct resources, and ensure proper recording, documentation, and closure, and preserve and grow knowledge of help desk procedures, products, and also services. Next one, coming to skills and experience details. Fast learner with advanced troubleshooting skills and ability to multitask, set priorities, and manage time effectively, readiness to work in global environment, and self-motivated to take accountability of defined tasks and deliverables, deliver work with a minimum supervision, and strong phone and verbal communication etiquette skills along with active listening, and also proficiency in English is must. Conservant knowledge of other languages will be preferred. And you have adaptability to global working environment with multicultural personalities in different time zones, and proficiency in MS Excel with acumen of analytics and reporting tools and software, and familiarity with CRM systems and practices. Salesforce is preferred, and working in help desk support customer interface role or environment. So these are the skills and experience details. You can also check here with the other skills mentioned here. So interested candidates, if you want to apply for this position, I have provided the link, related link in the description, so you can go through with that. Next one, there is a job opening for Sales Operations Manager. It is from Simplified Student Recruitment Tools. So your primary goal should be to lead our India and US sales reports to sign up schools and colleges for their virtual and in-person events. So in that, under the sales process, you need to create, maintain and evolve a clear and repeatable sales process. Plan out well-defined sales cycles that can generate more revenue with less effort, and own the end-to-end process of tracking sales funnel and operational metrics and delivering regular insights to the business. Define and deliver techniques to improve the funnel performance for sales management. So under the sales performance, you need to create and update all sales collaterals required by the sales team to meet goals, and getting accurate real-time visibility of team performance, creating, communicating and compensating understandable goals, and create sales insights and reports, create and execute effective strategies, and track and analyze key metrics including pipeline growth, win or loss rates, and quota attainment. And under the customer data and sales tools, you need to maintain the data, CRM and other sales tools and software. And under the team management, you need to train and coach the sales team on a variety of subjects including handling customer objections, and also you need to manage team performance and provide constant feedback to increase productivity and sales, reach sales goals. And in the marketing and sales campaigns, you need to work alongside marketing to design social media strategies to enhance sales processes and contribute to the creation of content such as the white paper, webinars, competitions, newsletters, etc. So these are the job details about this position. So interested candidates, if you want to apply for this position, you can check in the description for the link. Next one, there is a job opening for sales executive position. It is from Kalpana Constructions. So related the qualifications would be, you should be having 2 to 5 years of quota carrying sales experience, and also experience and working knowledge of CRM systems, demonstrable track record of overachieving quota, strong written and verbal communication skills are required. And coming to responsibilities, it should be, you need to meet and exceed sales targets, taking prospects for site visits in residential projects, answering all relevant queries in the process, ensuring that prospects and customers are satisfied with their interaction at all touch points, successfully create businesses from new and existing customer accounts, manage complex negotiations with senior level executives, build rapport and establish long-term relationships with the customers. So these are the details regarding the sales executive position. So if you are interested to apply for this position, you can check in the description for the link. Next one, there is a job opening for PHP developer position. It is from Maydash Techno Concept Private Limited. So for this position, you should be expertise in PHP, and also 3 years of experience is required in web development and software design. And under the responsibilities, you need to perform a mix of maintenance, enhancements and new development as required, work in a data analyst role and with business intelligence applications, document features, technical specifications and infrastructure responsibilities, and work cross-functionally to convert business needs into technical specifications. So these are the details regarding this PHP developer position. So if you are interested to apply for this position, or else if you want to know more detailed information, you can go through with the link. It is available in the description. Next one, there is a job opening for Laravel developer position. It is from EBC Web Store. So coming to requirements, you should be having about 2 years of experience in web development and software design, a bachelor's degree in computer science, computer engineering, software engineering or related fields must have completed that degree, and also working experience in Laravel will be preferred, and also knowledge of PHP, knowledge of front-end technologies such as HTML, CSS and JavaScript is required, and also MySQL and Ajax. Knowledge is required, and willing to work hard and able to execute as per deadlines, and also willing to do cutting edge work and learn new technology skills in evolving areas. So these are the job requirements. And coming to responsibilities, development of all server-side logic and maintenance of central database and ensuring high performance and responsiveness to requests from the front end. Integration of user-facing elements developed by front-end developers. Build efficient, testable and reusable PHP modules. Integration of data storage solutions. So these are the responsibilities. You please go through with all the details mentioned here. If you want to apply for this position, you can send your resume to the provided mail ID, that is employment@ebc.co.in. Next one, there is a job opening for PHP developer position. It is from Hyperjod Technologies Private Limited. So for this, you should be having about 3 years of experience in web development and software design, and also you should be expertise in front-end technologies such as HTML, JavaScript, CSS, and also PHP frameworks, Laravel, Vue.js, and MySQL server databases. So you should be having knowledge on all these languages mentioned here. And coming to responsibilities, it should be like you need to perform a mix of maintenance, enhancements and new developments as required, lead front-end development, document features, technical specifications and the infrastructure responsibilities, and work cross-functionally to convert business needs into technical specifications. So these are the details. So please go through with all the details mentioned here. If you want to know more detailed information and also to apply for this PHP developer position, I have provided the link in the description, so you can apply through that.
That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.